Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Now this video I'm talking about the paddy seed. It is growing super fast way, and everywhere the field is full of this paddy seed because this time it's a high time for Bangladeshi farmers to grow this paddy. Behind me you're seeing the paddy seed is around to the half size, and also it will grow another more size and the total length is around like 1 feet or one and a half feet. Yeah, it will be. It's a average size length for every seed. And if you look behind this, like most of the paddy seeds, it looks like once it looks like the same thing, because here except some field, most of the field is used the same seed and same system and same model of the seed feed, and they use this. But which land it was cultivated later or prepared later, and that feels paddy seed land is little bit shortened. But every seed model is like that. Most of the people in our area use the rice 28, and we usually eat this rice most of the time in our everyday life. But Bangladesh is a farming country. Also we eat 3 times rice. For this reason we have to cultivate the paddy seed every year, huge amount also. But this demand cannot meet every time for us, because our demand is higher than our supply. For this reason every year huge amount of rice have to also imported to our nearest country also. This is the reason. But by the way, it's time around the morning time. Today is something about the Ramadan day also, and now every field and the surrounding is full of the free. There is no person, because most of the person is sleeping. They will come back to their field after 8 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock still. I have a 1 hours in my hand. So by the way, it's all over the beautiful place, and it's all in front of me. The sun has risen, and it is rising more above my head, but overall it looks like beautiful. And also I have already come to the corner and in front of me of the pond. So by the way, this paddy seed is all of looks like beautiful. Like wherever you look, it's like green. It's like that. It's very awesome to show the green size and to show the green color. Only this season is every this type of environment should be known and should be seen. Only this season. Bangladesh is a 6th season. Every season has a different unique attraction. This season is an open day of springtime. This is one of the, and this is one of the thing that is attracting for every person. I hope this video you have just showed about our fields, our nearest fields, the length of the paddy seed, how much it is length, and I will show more in the next video. For the time you should practice, just practice like me, better than me. Although I have not been creating video for a long time, and this is about 2 weeks, because last 2 weeks I was a little bit difficulties, pressurized. This is one of the reason. My fluency is little bit also decreased right now, and I have no any preparation today, but I took a video. I have to. For this reason I come here. By the way, it doesn't matter. You should just practice every day. You will get a result in your future. Goodbye for today. Come back to another video. Assalamu alaikum.